Want to get cheat sheets, audiobooks, lessons, apps, and much more every month for free? Just click the link in the description to get your free language gifts of the month.
Hi guys, welcome to Cantonese class Top Words. Today we are in Stanley, 赤柱. Look, it's the beach at Stanley, 赤柱. So 5 words for 赤柱, Stanley. 赤柱泳灘, 赤柱泳灘, Stanley Beach. 赤柱 is the area, it's a coastal town, and it's a very laid-back area, very nice beach. 赤柱泳灘, Stanley Beach. 赤柱 is Stanley, and 泳灘 is the beach. 今日赤柱泳灘好多人. There are a lot of people at Stanley Beach. 美麗樓 Murray House. Murray House is a Victorian-era building in Stanley. It used to be in Central, but they moved it here. It's a very nice building, and many people take wedding photos there. There are a few restaurants in the Murray House, and it has a very nice coast view. So it's a nice place to relax and watch the sunset. 美麗樓 Murray House. 赤柱大街 Stanley Main Street. 赤柱 again is the town name. 赤柱大街 Dai means big, 街 is street, so big street, so the main street. 赤柱大街. You will see a lot of restaurants and bars and pubs and shops and souvenir shops at 赤柱大街. 去赤柱大街買手信 buy souvenir at the Stanley Main Street. And there is a market there too, like a street market. Maybe you'll find something very cheap and good bargain.
And the next word is 赤柱廣場, Stanley Plaza. 赤柱 Stanley, and 廣場 is Plaza. There are a lot of shops and restaurants and bars in there. You can have Chinese dim sum in the Stanley Plaza. 赤柱廣場有時會有表演. There are sometimes performances at the Stanley Plaza. 龍舟賽事 Dragon Boat Race. 龍舟 is dragon boat, 龍 is dragon, 舟 is like boat, ship. So 龍舟賽事 Dragon Boat Race. Every year there is one super big dragon boat race. In 2018 is on June 18th, and every year is a different date depending on the festival. So check it out when you're in town. The dragon boat race, and people would dress up and cheer for the team. And some company would send their employees to compete in the dragon boat race. It's a super big carnival there, so if you're in town, don't miss it. But it's gonna be very hot, so be prepared. 赤柱龍舟賽事, the dragon boat race at Stanley. So that's it for today. Today we talked about 5 words that you need to know about Stanley. 赤柱 is a very nice town at the south part of Hong Kong Island, the very south, the bottom tip of Hong Kong Island. So check it out if you're in town. I'll see you next time. My name is Olivia. Bye.
Great work! Don't forget your free language learning downloads. Get free cheat sheets, lessons, and audiobooks every month. Sign up for your premium gifts of the month right now. Just click the link in the description.